So hello everyone. If you're here, please go to the Google Classroom. Right now I'm just looking at some emails from students. Chloe, Ellie sent theirs, they said. I got Angel's video. But most of them were not photos that photojournalists would take. They're photos that are going to enhance your photographic composition.
When you ask the question, please make sure that you refer to the sentence structure or question structure that we learned a few days ago.
Making sure that when you're writing your rough draft essay, that it follows the criteria. Anyone know?
Rough draft?
So yes, your rough draft is going to be in it. What else?
So let's look at some examples. So as you can see, very different from Worm's Eye. So it can be up to down, or it can even just be above. Okay, so more like this. From down to up, exactly, Olivia. Like this, cool. So, very, very cool pictures. Reflection. Reflection can be done with things like mirrors, sunglasses, clear glasses, computer screens.